Binary gender, also known as gender binary, is a system that categorizes gender into two mutually exclusive and fixed options, male and female. This classification is often based on biological characteristics such as reproductive organs, chromosomes, and hormones. In binary gender systems, individuals are expected to conform to the societal norms associated with their assigned gender at birth. Binary gender has been deeply ingrained in many cultures and societies, shaping perceptions of masculinity and femininity and influencing various aspects of life, including language, clothing, and social roles. However, this rigid classification fails to acknowledge the diversity and complexity of gender identities beyond the binary spectrum. In recent years, there has been a growing recognition of non-binary, genderqueer, and transgender identities that challenge the binary conception of gender. Non-binary individuals do not exclusively identify as male or female, while transgender individuals may identify with a gender different from the one assigned to them at birth. These diverse gender identities highlight the limitations of the binary gender framework and emphasize the importance of inclusivity and acceptance. Understanding and acknowledging the existence of non-binary and transgender individuals are essential steps towards creating inclusive environments that embrace diversity. By recognizing gender diversity beyond the binary, organizations and communities can promote equity and ensure that everyone feels valued and respected, regardless of their gender identity. For example, in the UK, organizations are increasingly implementing gender-inclusive policies and practices to support employees of all gender identities. This may include offering gender-neutral restrooms, providing training on inclusive language and pronoun usage, and creating inclusive healthcare benefits that cover gender-affirming treatments. Moreover, fostering a culture of inclusion involves challenging gender stereotypes and norms that perpetuate discrimination and marginalization. By promoting gender diversity and challenging the binary gender paradigm, we can create a more equitable and inclusive society where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. In conclusion, binary gender refers to the classification of gender into two distinct categories, male and female. While this concept has been deeply entrenched in many societies, it fails to encompass the diversity of gender identities beyond the binary spectrum. Embracing gender diversity and challenging the binary gender paradigm are essential steps towards fostering inclusivity and equity in all aspects of life. By recognizing and affirming individuals' diverse gender identities, we can create a more inclusive and equitable world for everyone.